Please explain in detail on the training process framework. The training process framework is an all-encompassing model designed to support managers in comprehending and managing an array of processes inherent in operating a training organization. Devised by trainingindustry.com in 2007, the framework has undergone several adaptations to accommodate the ever-evolving training industry, such as the integration of vendor management, collaboration platforms, and content curation. Presently, the framework delineates 26 processes, which are organized into 4 functional process groups: administration, content, delivery, and technology. 1. Administration. The administration functional group is responsible for the logistics and day-to-day operations of a training function. It comprises 10 processes. A. Strategic planning. This process involves understanding and identifying learners' needs in relation to the overall business objectives. B. Client relationship management. This process entails working with constituents and business management to identify needs, communicate strategy, and assist in problem resolution. C. Scheduling and registration services. This process manages scheduling, registering, enrolling, and recording necessary information on learners attending an upcoming learning event. It also coordinates logistics such as instructor assignments, facility provisions, equipment, and communications with students. D. Financials and billing services. This process covers departmental and corporate chargebacks, billings, and payables related to training activities and external sources. E. Assessments and testing. This process encompasses testing training participants and evaluating the effectiveness of training programs. F. Vendor management. This process involves the identification, qualification, sourcing, and management of third-party training vendors. G. Tuition reimbursement. This process manages the administration and reimbursement of college and education expenses. H. Marketing and communications. This process includes internal communications about all aspects of learning services and external marketing about the sale of training programs. I. Reporting and metrics. This process entails strategic measurement and reporting on the performance of the training organization. J. Materials fulfillment. This process involves the printing, binding, and shipment of print publications used in the classroom, as well as the production and distribution of electronic materials for online training programs. 2. Content. The content functional group is centered on the creation and management of various training materials and content, including courses, workshops, seminars, webinars, and programs. It consists of 6 processes. A. Portfolio management. This ongoing process assesses, manages, and rationalizes learning curriculums, products, and resources. B. Instructional design. This comprehensive process includes needs assessment, mode of delivery, technology, length of intervention, etc., providing a link between strategic planning and client relationship management processes to all other business relationships. C. Content development. This process involves the creation of learning programs from design to deliverable product. D. Content curation. This process sorts through available content, presenting it in a meaningful and relevant way for a specific topic or theme. E. Graphic design. This process provides visuals used during the content development process. F. Content refreshment. This process establishes the ongoing review of programs within the learning portfolio, ensuring that content elements are updated as needed. 3. Delivery. The delivery functional group encompasses the transfer of information and includes 6 processes related to the instruction and delivery of content. A. Instructor recruitment. This process involves the selection of instructors for delivering learning programs. B. Instructor development. This process trains instructors on effectively delivering learning interventions, often including real-world training on subject areas and methods and techniques for proper and appropriate training delivery. C. Instruction. This process involves the actual conveyance of information from instructor to learner, whether delivered in a print, online, or electronic environment or in the classroom. D. Classroom support. This process involves the day-to-day logistics of classroom setup, cleanup, and fulfillment of materials for instruction and assessment. E. Course feedback. This process circulates assessment information regarding the method of delivery and design back to the designer and developer. allowing for program modifications and continuous improvement. In addition, participant information and evaluation data should be managed in the feedback process. F. Real estate and facilities. This process involves the selection and management of locations for the delivery of learning programs, ensuring appropriate spaces and resources are available. 4. Technology. The Technology Functional Group is concerned with managing the technologies integral to creating, managing, and delivering training. It comprises 5 processes. A. LMS, LCMS management. This process involves maintaining and supporting administrative platforms such as Learning Management Systems, LMS, and Learning Content Management Systems, LCMS. B. Authoring systems management. This process includes maintaining and supporting the tools and technologies used during instructional design and content development. C. Delivery platform management. This process provides technical and learning support for the technology used for electronic and online delivery of learning programs. D. Collaboration platform management. This process manages social and collaborative tools for the purpose of knowledge sharing and team learning. E. Infrastructure management. This process oversees the selection, implementation, and maintenance of hardware, software, and network systems to support the training organization's operations. Uses of the training process framework. A. Standardize language. The framework is useful for standardizing terminology when discussing processes within a training organization, promoting better communication and understanding. B. Sourcing engagements. The model can help clarify negotiations regarding which processes a supplier will manage on a buyer's behalf and which processes a buyer will manage internally, ensuring that expectations and responsibilities are well defined. C. Communicating suppliers' capabilities. The framework can serve as a valuable tool for suppliers to communicate their capabilities in managing processes on behalf of clients, enabling potential clients to assess the suitability and expertise of suppliers. In conclusion, the training process framework is a valuable model that outlines the essential processes involved in managing a training organization. It helps managers understand the various aspects of their organization, ensuring that all processes are addressed and optimized. Furthermore, the framework provides a standardized language for discussing these processes, improving communication and collaboration among stakeholders. The framework also serves as a useful tool for negotiation and communication between training organizations and suppliers, ensuring clarity and understanding of each party's responsibilities and capabilities, ultimately leading to better outcomes in the training industry.